Want your resume to stand out? Stop making these common mistakes which 90% of the civil engineers make. As a civil engineer, your resume is your blueprint to getting hired. But if you load your resume with irrelevant information, it won't even get a second look. Let's fix these mistakes today. Over the past 7 years, I have reviewed hundreds of resumes and CVs of fellow civil and structural engineers and found these common mistakes which people make in their resumes. Number 1. Avoid personal information. Don't include too much of a personal information in your resume, such as father's name, mother's name, nationality, gender, languages known, etc. All this personal information is not of much relevance to the companies or recruiters. 2. Hobbies. I have seen so many people mention hobbies such as dancing, singing, etc. on their resumes. These hobbies are not related to your professional career and should not be mentioned in the resume. Now, some people will say that it is important to have hobbies in life other than job or work.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
Of course, yes, you are right. In fact, this is me dancing for straight 3.5 hours without any break for the recent New Year celebrations. I'm just saying that this dancing hobby is not relevant to your professional career. That is the reason why you should not be mentioning it in your resume. Third, objective statement. Ditch the age-old and vague objective statement that goes like this. Looking for a challenging atmosphere where I can utilize my skills, blah blah blah. Wait, stop right there. This objective statement is vague and is just copied from other resumes. Instead of such vague objective statement, have a meaningful summary like this. Fourth, table of educational details. I want you all to note a couple of things here. First, regarding the format of the education table. Avoid using this table format because it takes a lot of space on your resume. Instead, you can mention your educational details like this. Second, if any of your percentages or aggregates in 10, 12, engineering or masters is below 65%, avoid mentioning such percentages in your resume. Because if such percentages are viewed by recruiters, your resume may not get shortlisted for the subsequent round. Instead of such percentages, mention first class as your educational details. 5. Declaration statement. I have seen all the resumes have this declaration statement at the last, saying all the information presented in this resume are true and are to the best of my knowledge. Why do people put this statement in the resume? You should know that companies have 10 different ways to find out whether or not you have lied in your resume. If you want to find out how can companies find out whether you have lied in your resume or not, you can schedule a one-on-one call for resume review with me. Link of the call will be in the description or in the comment section. On what other topics on resumes or CV do you want more insights on? Whether do you want to know more about ATS compliant resume, or you want to know about what should be the ideal length of the resume, 1 pages, 2 pages, 3 pages or more. Comment your doubts you have in your resume and I will help you out with industry insights on that. Till then, keep growing in your career. This is Atif Nawaz signing off.